Menteri Ketenat Community and Rural Development C&RD Abu Tahir Mondal, laong baka jingthaw ki C&RD Block kadai kamat kabadang yai bteng nakapor syakapor. Kamde satya bangladap thaw ki katu katni teli ki block haka samoy trikam baladap ngin amla banthaw shu ki block ki batamai ong Mondal haba jubab halor ka jingkeli kabayadei bar ka jingtawa banthaw mausan ram block. Ong ru ka syong ha ki jing ka baki brio jongi ki kendu ban poi ki administrative unit bat dei halor kata ka nongrim bangila pen khaya ki block bat ka dei ru kamat ka bandang yai beteng hadien bangila la ban pendap lut ya baro ki jingdan kam ngin sa pen bena baro ka syong ha kanu ka rukam ngin penya ya kani ka kam habakeli na kaliang menteri ulaong kumba kalong mentahi ngampat la ban ong lanu ngin ai ka jing pen bena kumba kalong menta kajala kadon haduk san puai teli ki C&RD Block kata hadin baladap bantau thamai sa khatsan teli ki block ha kini ki shiphouse nam ki baladap.
As per the creation of block is concerned, it is a continuous process. It is not that we have created some blocks last term and no further blocks will be created. Depending on the difficulties that our people face to reach to the administrative units, to be made easier for the people, accessible easier. So on that basis, it is a continuous process. The moment all formalities are over, we'll declare. It all depends how we go about it.